The Android 11 update has seen a big focus on gesture navigation, and Google has been adding that as an option in some of their other applications as well. If you have a recent version of the native YouTube application installed, I know I've shown you a previous gesture whenever you're playing a video and you expand that video into full screen mode. I've previously shown that you can simply swipe down to exit the full screen mode instead of having to tap on that small icon again. We have that ability. But not only that, Google also has added a way to enter full screen mode without tapping that little icon as well. And it's just as you would expect. Instead of swiping down, we're just going to swipe up on that video and it will instantly enter full screen mode. You can go back and forth with just a swipe down and a swipe up. So for those of you who prefer gesture controls and who use the YouTube application a lot, just know that you can both enter and exit full screen mode with simple swipe up and swipe down gestures.